Hi, I'm Rich Frawley, and I'm the Director of Training with ADF Solutions. Today we are going to triage this MacBook Air I have in front of me for images of contraband. Everybody's been asking about triaging their Macs on scene, especially with the T2 and the M1. I'm going to show you here. I have currently MacBook Air M1 2020. It has macOS Monterey on it. We are live and up and running. I have my computer connected through an Ethernet. So the Mac M1 connected through an Ethernet to my DEI Pro workstation, which is currently a Dell XPS. So live connected by Ethernet, Mac M1 to Dell XPS. First thing you need to do on the Mac is go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy. This is all in our user guides. We're going to go down to Full Disk Access, and you are going to unlock in the lower left-hand corner. You do need your credentials. Unlock, and you're going to make sure Terminal has Full Disk Access. Once that is done, if Terminal is not here in this window, it can be added. You just need to go to the location where Terminal is and select it, give it access. Once that's done, we have our collection key connected. I'm going to open up the collection key. On there is our remote agent, Mac OS _ start. Start that, it opens up in Terminal. Again, you need the credentials. Enter the credentials. It has started and it has given me the IP address of the connection. So behind, I'm just going to lower this a little bit here so you can see DEI Pro in the background. I'm going to go to Scan, and over towards the right is Add Remote Agent, and it's asking for the IP address that is on here. So reading that, I have 169.254.234.183. Select that. You can see here on the lower left that my MacBook Air is now connected. I have a search profile that I've created. It is called Quick Triage Users Detect Pictures and Videos. What this does is it looks at the user profiles. It's going to detect the pictures and the videos. It also has child exploitation keywords set. I'm going to select that profile. We'll just give it a name of test here. And we're going to come down here and hit scan. And let's see if we can raise this a little bit for you. So in the upper left-hand side, it is caching the files. It's making a listing of every file and folder before it starts the scan process. Once the caching is done, it will start going through and running the keywords. So if you look in the matches pane here, it's already started running. It found some keywords, and now it is detecting pictures and videos in the user profile. Yes, it was that fast. You are looking at it live here. As it's going through, you have this matches pane of a sampling of what it's collecting. It's already collected up to 800 files. So if you start seeing your contraband up above in that matches pane, you know what you have. You can go in and view these results as it's scanning. Down in the lower pane, it shows the view results. We're just going to let this run out here. And should you see any of your contraband up there, you can stop the scan. Whenever you stop it, whatever you've detected up to that point will be in your results on your workstation for you to make your report on. Okay, so we've come to the end of the scan. There was 3,105 images that have been detected and 18 keyword hits. I'm going to go to View Results. And I'm going to go into my picture gallery. And for those of you that know my demos, any pictures of canines are contraband. So you can see those. You can also, we also have other types of pictures in here as well. I'm going to go to my summary page just to show you what we've done here. Remote access, quick triage. It took 1 minute and 32 seconds to detect the 3,100 files. It also collected 14 that were matches on the keywords. So from this point, now new in the next release that's coming out within the next week, we have the ability to make a logical AFF4 image of this Mac. Again, we go into image, select the remote agent, put in that IP address. It's already in. I select OK. Now you can see my MacBook Air. AFF4, segment size, you have your case number and all the information down here. We select proceed, and it will make a logical AFF4 image of this Mac that you can then scan more comprehensively later. I can tell you an earlier image created took approximately 16 minutes to create the logical image of this M1 Mac. Any questions, please get in touch with us at support@adfsolutions.com. Thank you.